how to connect Vantage to TradingView. So from here, what you have to do is go ahead and search for TradingView, of course, and then if you have not signed in, you will require to sign in. So once you sign in, go to the product section, go to the Supercharts. So once you've gone to the Supercharts section, so it will look somewhat like this. Now scroll down, you'll have to accept all of those, and then once you scroll down, you have to scroll down, you can see Pine Editor or Trading Panel. Go ahead to the Trading Panel. Now from here you can see a list of trading panels. So if you don't see Vantage here, you'll have to simply go ahead and press on Show All Brokers. So here you can see Vantage. Now you'll press on Vantage, and once you press on Vantage here, you'll see a connect option. So press on connect. Now once you press on connect, it will direct you towards the Vantage login page, where you'll have to enter your email and your password, and then once you press on connect, you'll get integrated. Your Vantage will get integrated to the trading view. So that's the pretty much way. Hopefully this video helped. Thank you.